This is going to be a video tutorial on how to clear your watch history on the TikTok app. I'll be using an iPhone SE for this, but the steps should be very similar on other devices. Let me jump over to my phone here. Okay, I'm on my phone now and I have the TikTok app opened up. To clear your search history on the TikTok app, first thing you need to do is tap on your profile icon in the lower right hand corner. Then you will tap on the 3-bar hamburger menu in the upper right hand corner. Then you will tap on Settings and Privacy. From here you will scroll down to where you see it says Watch History and tap on that. Now to clear your search history, these here are the videos you have watched, your search history. To clear your search history, you need to tap on the little settings icon in the upper right hand corner, the little gear wheel. Tap on that. And then right here you could actually turn off your watch history. As you can see, it says Watch History, view up to 7 days of your watch history on this device. You could toggle that off to where it doesn't save them. To clear your search history, you just tap on the little trash can where it says Clear History. Then it will ask you, are you sure? Tap on Clear. Now there is no watch history available. That is how you clear your watch history on the TikTok app. Thanks for watching.